We at the family bonfire. My nigga Stewie ready to jump in because he can walk on fire. He a bad dude.
Yeah, he can walk on fire, baby.
We got Queen. We got King. We got Dara. Quincy, little ugly ass. We got the kids out here. Junior Man, the Undertaker. And this crazy dude. Little Jonathan. This little crazy dude. Jay. This my nigga. I got you, Jay. Ain't nobody gonna throw you in, Jay. Ain't nobody got you, Jay.
I don't like you!
Mom, you can throw her in the fire.
Ain't nobody gonna throw my nigga Jay in.
I can take the fire too.
We down that pink dumpsters, bonfire.
Hey, mommy.
Junior on the phone with his chicks. That's what Junior do, you know, real player. You know, Junior man. We got the rigs out. You know, that's what we do. Then we got the bros over here looking for water. I'm limping cause I got knocked by a car. It's all good. Okay, love, bro. Damn, I'm limping around this bitch. But it's a nice thing. We got, I think I got some bad. Yeah, I do. And we out here. I want to show y'all something. I gotta try to get over there because I'm injured right now. I want to show y'all something. Come here, Shirley Ann. Come here once. I want to show something. There's Shirley Ann now. Shirley Ann chubby now, y'all. Look. Shirley Ann, look at the camera. Say, I ain't sticks no more. I'm getting chubby. Look at Shirley Ann. She getting fat now. Look. Look. I can't catch her. I'm too injured. Shirley Ann getting fat now. Then they got my dude Stewie over there. No, they're about to hit the ladies.